Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Mundhra from TRANSPET India. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. In this video, we are introducing our new range of PET jars which are compatible with LUG caps and PET caps both. LUG cap is a tin cap which is conventionally used on glass jars, and PET caps are the new types of caps which are transparent, shiny. In this range, we have 63 mm and 83 mm mouth size. Just to show how the can is sealed, we'll just open one LUG cap, and instead of LUG cap, we'll place the PET cap on top. The sizes that are available are starting from 200 ml and it goes up till 800 ml in various mouth size. Various colors are available in both the lids. We can customize color also.